This OneTeg demo highlights an e-commerce use case. On the Shopify storefront, one of the products is currently missing an image. That image has already been uploaded into Adobe Workfront as part of the project for this product. Within Workfront, the project contains all the relevant metadata, and the asset itself has already gone through review and is ready for approval. The next step is to mark the asset as approved and add a comment. That approval action triggers OneTeg to run a series of automated processes that update multiple systems. First, OneTeg updates the digital asset management system. After refreshing the DAM, the approved image is now available there. Next, OneTeg updates the product information management system. After refreshing, the asset is now assigned to the correct product. And finally, back on the Shopify storefront, a refresh shows the product image now live on the website. Along the way, metadata is also assigned to the asset automatically. This includes metadata coming from the Workfront project, as well as enrichment data pulled in from the product information management system. For example, there are references to Shopify, the product ID from the project, and additional product data that has been brought in to enrich the asset record. All of this is handled by OneTeg. Behind the scenes, OneTeg uses a flow triggered by a webhook. That webhook calls a flow, initializes the process, and passes data through a series of steps configured within the platform. Each step can call systems like Workfront and pass data from one step to another simply by selecting outputs from previous steps. A single step can be used, or data from multiple previous steps can be combined and mapped to the exact fields needed. If transformation is needed, the data can be modified easily using built-in functions. Throughout the process, OneTeg provides full visibility into every activity. It is possible to monitor what was executed, review the data that moved through the flow, and inspect the business logic applied at each step. By clicking into each activity, it becomes easy to see exactly why IDs were passed, what data was updated, and how the automation was executed from start to finish. And that's a quick look at OneTeg, a no-code platform for content-centric integrations. Experience the power of effortless integration with OneTeg and explore our connector library at oneteg.com.